We will do the 91 Accord cold start. Approximately 12 degrees this morning. All this other old shit's broke down, won't run. See if she'll fire up at 12 degrees. I only buy the good stuff, the coupes. Beautiful little car, everybody wants to buy it from me. But she don't like the deep snow. Snow plow, pushover crap. "12 degrees. An awesome car. Very, very good driver. Fire right up. Sat here 2 days, it's stuck in the snow in the backyard. This one's very rare, of chocolate brown interior on coffee mocha cream. Awesome how you got the colors back in the 90s. Most amazingly, everything functions on these cars. It's pretty good. Maybe more videos another time. Alright, bye.